Yo, my phone's getting. What's up, guys? It's your girl Ivy, also known as Evie, and welcome to Evie's Planet. That was such a good intro. Anyway, like it says in the title of this video, we're going to be doing a day in the life again, but this time of me being a homeschool student. So for those who don't know, I'm actually homeschooled, right? And I want to show people what it's like to be homeschooled, and it's not all about like being boring. And yes, it's a bit difficult because you don't have teachers and stuff like that, but I'm going to show you what it's like as me. So before we get to this video, please like and subscribe. Give me a big thumbs up in this video. And please like and subscribe. Please show me what your favorite part was in that video. Also, if I saw that you guys didn't see that, I got 140 subscribers, which is actually amazing. Like, really, really cool. But anyway, my pom-poms. This is today's fit, by the way. I like showing off my fits. They're so cute. So all black, all black. And then, yeah, boo. Yes. So, yeah, I just wanted to make the intro because you know me and my intros. I'm very serious about stuff like that. But yeah, let's get into it. So, today, I just need to fill up my like 2 liter bottle of water. And then I'm going to go to Spa to go buy something, which that will be an adventure because I'm walking and outside the weather's like cloudy and it might really rain because I don't know if you guys can see. Like, actually, you know what? I'll just go outside. So yeah, and this time there's going to be like a low chance of me filming like this unless I'm like going somewhere. So I'll be filming like up high here, like nicely, because I'm at home. I'm not afraid. But anyway, look at the weather. Like it is so cloudy, and but anyway, here's the bottle I was talking about. See, the 2 liter bottle. I also bought these things, bro. These things are a lifesaver. My one says 7 a.m. rise and shine. Hold on, I've told this thing properly. 7 a.m. rise and shine. 9 a.m. Let's get started. 11 a.m. Remember your goal. 1 p.m. keep it up. 3 p.m. halfway there. 5 p.m. you can do this. 7 p.m. don't quit now. 9 p.m. all in a day's work. So I know you're supposed to like cut it down in hours or stuff like that, but to be honest, oh, I don't really cut it in hours. I just drink water. Done. But yeah, let's go do some schoolwork. And then yeah, so you could also use this video as a way to like have a study buddy or something like that. Because there's gonna be a lot of studying, a lot of silence. But I will play background music for you guys. But if you don't listen to background music, I will warn you. You guys can put the volume down. And then yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so we are in my classroom basically. I need to find the camera because the bright light behind the camera is like crazy, so I can't really find because my phone's black. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna do schoolwork. What subject should I do? Because yesterday I did English, maths, and LO. So let's do some history because I know how long those slides get. I can't remember where I put that book. Let's find the book. Okay, so this is what my history book looks like. I bought this at Typo. I'm not sponsored, by the way, but if you guys need any book, go straight to Typo. They're the best. Got Typo, and then all the stuff that I've been writing, and then my O book because I actually ran out. It was a really cute book. I think it's this one. Yeah, this was my life science book because it had a skull on. But then I ran out of pages. Look, even had to write on the cover. Yeah, I had to write on the cover. So that's how much I ran out of stuff. And then, so I have to use the hardcover book, which you can buy anywhere. It's CNA and stuff like that. And then my geography book, which has Be Kind to Your Mother every day. The Earth. Geography is about the Earth. And yeah, I got this at Typo also. So yeah. And see, so let's start. What did we? Oh, we start with history, right? So these ones, let me just eat on the floor. I filled up that water, and I have my concentrating tea. Oh God! So let's get into it. So, we're going to spa now. Great news, it is raining. So we're gonna walk in the rain. I don't know if should I change my shoes rather, because these are the shoes I'm wearing. Like, and I don't know if should I rather like wear boots, because if I have to run, these are not comfortable to run in. But you know what? Yeah, you know what, Fury, you're right. I'm gonna wear my boots. So I'm gonna wear these boots. Pretty, eh? Very nice. Where can I put you guys? I can put you. Okay, so it's my mom's birthday in a few days. Yeah. And then I think on Sunday, yeah. So gonna go quickly buy the present. Oh no, I said it on YouTube. But it's fine, she won't even know. Ah, Chicha, my shoe won't go up. Here we go. Okay. Because I used to wear these at work a lot, and like I step on stones and I run and people shoot me. They're like under, it's like crazy. Oh. Okay. Okay. Tie my shoelaces. What you guys think about my hairstyle? Cute, eh? And I want to dye my hair, but I want to dye it midnight blue. If you guys know what it looks like, Google it. And should I do it? Because I want to dye like this part only, midnight blue. Leave the black alone because I like the black. And then yeah, let's put my shoes up on the rack. Okay. And then I must get my wallet. I'm gonna, yeah, this is fine. I don't mind getting wet. Okay, let me go. I'll meet you guys on the streets. Yeah. It's gonna rain soon, so I've got the umbrella. And everyone remembers Beth being around, my sister. Yeah. I'm holding my phone out, like, not afraid of anything. Anyway, guys, Masambe. I'm actually already tired, even though we haven't walked that much. And this is what the fit looks like with the boots now. I decided to wear the boots here. Wow, Chicha wa Layla. Anyway, Kaka, how have you been? Someone saved me inside.
Oh no, they just for these mosquitoes.
And I just did leg day Tuesday. Yesterday I did arms, but my legs still hurt.
Shame.
Gosh.
This is my leg day.
No, it's not. It's your cardio. You know what? Let's do like this. I'm gonna film when I get a spa. I don't trust nobody in the streets. Don't. What? Does she like Iron Man? Yes. So we had the GT store because we came out of spa. This is what I got, like licorice. Wait. I can't wait to play badminton. Denali. Where? Ah. I have to run home. What about that? Those black flowers.
Put it in. What you gonna put it in?
You're gonna stick it on your wall. But let's go buy this keychain and then go home. I'm hungry for something though.
Just the croissants. The luxury bags.
I'll get that. So let me quickly pay because Mensa is staring at me and he's so I'm gonna run home. It's raining. Got me umbrella and I can't really open it because then I'll smack people with it. But thank you. Does not matter. I love how she's walking so far even though I have the umbrella. Why are you running? Then why don't you just sit under the umbrella?
You walk slow.
I'm going to because you're running. If you don't run, you won't get wet. Yo, my phone's getting wet, but anything for Ramani. Oh, we're actually making hash browns when we get out.
Yeah. Unless you have a great marvelous plan to get something else.
Huh?
Unless you have a great plan to get something else.
What if we make, remember those buns I made where they've got like put cheese inside there?
But you just said the cornflour was a fail.
But it ended up being a success at the end of the day and it tasted.
Then just make mochi. With potatoes.
That was mochi wood.
That's what I showed you this morning. You know, the potato or cornflour, all the stuff like that.
That's mochi? I thought mochi is a dessert.
It's a savoury dish. Or you can make it sweet or savoury.
Ah.
It's only really good in the rain.
Oh, but it's not deep rain. This is not the rain that will kill you.
It's killing me.
Because you're not used to it. I'm used to walking in rain like this.
Oh, the gods.
Doof, 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 doof.
I can tell. Ah! Like a tray is.
Oh,
Oh, good God. I just tried to open a bag of fucking marshmallows, man.
what? Oh my. Okay, it says please, it's not me.
Okay, wait.
I have the best name for this video. Got caught in the rain.
Oh.
Unique. Ah.
You just cost me the one run.
It was supposed to cost you 20, but it ended up being something else.
You suck at holding an umbrella.
And you make it shorter because I'm taller than you. But you're wearing high shoes. Hold on, let's make a thumbnail. Thumbnail. Yeah, anyway. You see, I'm getting wet now. Oh my gosh, I'm falling into grass.
Oh, I knew we should have taken another umbrella.
And I told you to go, but you were like, I'm lazy. Yeah, actually. As long as my phone's not getting wet, it's fine. I'm so brave for doing
You have
this.
to do it like this. Well, if you weren't on your bloody phone.
No. I have to. This is my lifeline.
Got fucking shit in my shoes.
I'm actually bending, right? Why are you so short? Because you don't drink milk.
I don't like it.
Okay, I'm actually gonna film at home in case my phone gets damaged. So we are home. My shoes are so wet and I don't want to wet the thing because the tiles are like white. Stuff like that. So we're gonna go make lunch now, yeah? Did I buy anything? No, I didn't. But it's fine. Get up. How? Try to fight here. Let's go make lunch. Ow, my legs. Hello, Mama. You want to be in my vlog? Huh? You want to be in my vlog? Okay. Mama, why are you kissing me? Side eye, just joking. Yeah. Can we make hash browns? Kaka and I want to make potatoes. No. Side eye. Kaka, my mom says we can't make. Where is she? What? It's Layla. Bethany. Partial. We can't make. She said no. My hands are tired. Come, let's go bake it together. Are those leaves or stickers? Oh, that's disgusting to touch. Yeah.
Oh, I need a poop. Sorry.
He said it's on YouTube.
I don't actually care.
I don't care, I just want to cack. I mean poop. Glass. Eat it. Eat it. Oh. Didn't where?
Can we use fried chips? First?
I the frying pan still.
Can we at least fry a chip?
What?
Can we at least fry a chip?
No.
What? I want to be a super chippy, right?
Ah, there's babe rolls. Ah.
Good. I want to be a super chippy. I want to be a super chippy.
I could put in here, you know that. No wonder people get thrown into fridges. Open the fridge, you're too close to it. You know what?
Another loaf of bread is gonna help.
What if I said no?
Why? You fuck me.
On the better side.
As a bonus, I guys, we put an empty packet of cheese.
Who wants me to fight them? Joker. It's squashed in
You
half.
can make grilled cheese.
You know what? Change my shirt. Oh, this because I'm hot as hell. I'm sweating like I'm mad. So yeah. Oh stitch outside. Okay, let's go. Okay, we're in the kitchen. Oh, Becca here. Don't take my bread. Yeah. We're gonna make grilled cheese. Take this as a tutorial how to make. For those who don't know how.
Here's how you make grilled cheese.
Yeah.
You basically grate the cheese,
You're
put it
gonna
on
grate
the
it.
thingy, and then you put it, and then you put the cheese.
We're gonna grate it.
How else do you make a grilled cheese, eh?
We cut the cheese.
I don't cut, I grate.
You wash, I mean, the dishes.
It's baby dishes, man.
No. Ugly. Have you seen that guy on
Please
TikTok?
take out some water.
I'm not gonna hold. You know it's ganch. Y'all can see, yeah, you can see it. Oh no, you can't see it. Yeah, now you can see it. Hold on, like, yeah. Okay, so you hold like this, nee. Measure it because you want the braid just to be flat. Oh, you see that? You see that? Oh, yeah, but I actually better it. I like things when they're symmetrical. Did you hear that English? But anyway, so we've got 1 tomato, we've got 2 tomato, we've got 3 tomato, we have 4 tomato.
You eat 6 here.
Ah! What are you gonna do with all these tomatoes?
You put it in your bread.
I mean, I only put 2.
Oh, okay, then that works.
Yeah, but what we're gonna... Oh my gosh! Oh, it's gone. So I said, there's a tomato right in here. What are we doing? What's that girl's gonna create with the tomatoes? It's gone. Oh, this technique. Show them, Kaka, show them. Did you wash your hands?
Yes!
Sanitary, Baba, sanitary. No cheeses were hurt in this making of the video. Yeah, the technique is like, yeah.
She's 10 out of 10.
She giving Jeff vibe. Gordon Ramsay, where are you, my brother? How'd you put it down?
And then you like reviews of grilled cheese.
Look, I'm inside the bowl. I'm inside the bowl. Oh gosh, it means are killing me.
I don't know how we're going to make it a 3, Huey. I'll take the ugly bits. Why are you crying?
Because you're so considerate. But I wanted that bread.
Sure.
Talk about party, yeah. Get out of my bread. My bread is being thawed.
Thawed and what?
I'm not thawed. I am Thor, son of Odin. My name is Zimbabwe. I'm just joking. I don't have nothing about Zimbabwe, guys. I love you all. my tea, my toast, and then my movie time. Am I the only one that cannot eat without watching something? If you're part of those people, comment below and give me a thumbs up. Anyway, let me eat because I don't want to feel myself eating because let's go. Okay, so we're done with lunch. I'm so bored of the subject, guys. I'm telling you, serious. Like, I'm bored of it. But I have to finish it because I really need the marks. So, Tayo. So I am finished with school. So I did kind of get my report back. So I found out the stuff that I'm like terrible at, or not terrible, but need to improve on. So I'm going to like read. I'm gonna try like make a challenge for myself. I'm gonna read every 30 minutes every day. So 30 minutes before my workouts, I'm going to like try read a book. It can be from anything basically. Like can be from like a dictionary. I can't read from my phone here because I'm vlogging using it, so I'm pretty sure I have books somewhere. Oh, Chicha, my shoes are painful. They're hurting me. Oh, Chicha. Okay, so I found a book. It's called Who Runs the World? Honey, I don't want this one. There's one where this girl has amnesia and she like only remembers parts that are like freaky, you know? Could it be in the office? Oh shit. Muddy. Hold on. I'll be back. I'm gonna find it. So I could not find the book, and I don't really remember what it looks like, so can't find something I don't know what it looks like. Should I close the curtains? Give me a second. Oh shit. Yeah, gunch. Looks fine this way. So yeah. Oh shit. Oh yeah, right. Okay, so okay, so that is it for today's video. I've completed all my reading. I've completed all my school stuff. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Give me a big thumbs up and tell me what your favorite part of the video was in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and I love you. And thank you. See you next Friday. Bye.